Alright guys, today we're going to talk about how to constrain these two objects, our cylinder peg and our rectangular peg, into the pegboard base. Constraints are not too difficult. Sometimes you only need to constrain an object once, sometimes you need to constrain it to multiple axes depending on how you want it to move. So we'll start by constraining the cylinder. We're going to select constraint, and this one's pretty easy. It only takes one constraint. We're going to go ahead and select the cylinder so we see that nice line down the center of the cylinder, and then we're going to do the same thing with the hole. Click the two together and apply, and as you can see now, my cylinder cannot move on the z-axis or the x-axis, but it can move freely on the y-axis, which is exactly what I want. There are two steps for constraining the rectangular peg, so we'll go ahead and do that now. Select constrain, and I want to constrain this object to both the z and the x axis, so it's going to require two different constraints. So first we'll constrain it to the z axis. I'm going to select this face here, the top face, and then I need to rotate my pegboard so I can see the inside of that hole where I want to constrain it. I don't want to constrain it to this top line, I want that whole inside face. Select there and apply. Now I need to constrain it on the z-axis, so I'm going to move it around, select the face that's on the z-axis, and then again select that inside face of the hole and apply. Okay. Once I've done that, you can see that I've now constrained both of these objects to the z and the x axes, so they cannot move on those. However, they move freely on the y-axis. Alright, hope this is helpful. If you have any questions on constraining these objects in class, please let me know.